Work winches, sold separately, are very helpful in securing items to the rack. Place a hexagon washer over the winch, followed by the plastic sleeve. Insert the winch partway into the bracket. Before fully inserting it, slide the ratcheting mechanism with its pin into the hole in the top of the bracket. Line the mechanism up with the tabs on the winch while fully inserting it. On the other side of the winch, place another hexagonal washer, a cotter pin in the first hole, the System One lever, the round washer, and finally the linch pin to lock everything in place. Give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit rackwarehouse.com.